So let's do the antiderivative of the root of 1 minus sine x dx. Not obvious where to begin. What we can do is just multiply by 1. So you can do 1 minus sine x, and then multiply by 1 plus sine x over 1 plus sine x. So 1 plus sine x is the conjugate of 1 minus sine x, and then a dx this way. All right, so it's going to give us the antiderivative. You multiply 1 minus sine x by 1 plus sine x in the top. So you're going to have here 1 squared minus sine squared x over just 1 plus sine x and then dx on the outside. So you're going to have basically 1 minus sine squared x. Now that has an identity. The bottom you have 1 plus sine x still. Doesn't go away, dx. Next, so 1 minus sine x becomes cosine squared x. And in the bottom you still have this 1 plus sine x dx like that. You can distribute the root symbol. So it's going to be the square root of cosine squared x over the root of 1 plus sine x dx. So antiderivative of cosine x of the root of 1 plus sine x and then dx. Now notice that you said u equal to 1 plus sine x now. So du is cosine x dx, which is nice because that means you can replace. So you're going to continue over here. And you're going to end up with cosine x dx. And in the bottom, you're going to have the root of u. Okay, so another substitution. So it's going to be the antiderivative of u to the negative 1/2 du. So antiderivative. So apply the power rule. So negative 1/2, all right, plus 1 over negative 1/2 plus 1 plus c. All right, so now negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. Go to the top, so 2. And negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2, so you end up with the root of u plus c. But then u is equal to 1 plus sine x. So in other words, our original quantity right here is equal to 2, the root of 1 plus sine x plus c.